Hi, little bunnies. Say hello to M. This is the capital M. This is the simple M. What's the sound of the letter M? Mm, mm, What starts with monkey, money, mango. What is this? This is the moon. Okay, little bunnies. See you next time.